Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common question for many Weiser Powerbolt 3 owners. How do you reset this electronic deadbolt lock? Maybe you forgot your code, you're having programming issues, or you just want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, performing a factory reset can solve a lot of problems. Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, to get your Weiser Powerbolt 3 back to its factory settings. Let's dive in. Why reset your Weiser Powerbolt 3? Before we get into the how-to, let's quickly discuss why you might need to reset your Weiser Powerbolt 3. A factory reset will erase all existing user codes, master codes, and any custom settings, restoring the lock to its original out-of-the-box state. This is incredibly useful if you forgot your current programming or master code, are experiencing glitches or issues with new codes not saving, want to clear all access before a new tenant moves in, or simply want to start fresh with your lock's security settings. It's an essential troubleshooting step for many common issues. What you'll need. To perform this reset, you'll need just a couple of things. A small Phillips head screwdriver. Optionally, a fresh set of AA batteries, just in case your current ones are low and causing issues during the reset process. It's always a good idea to ensure your lock has plenty of power. Step by step, how to reset Weiser Powerbolt. 3. Lock. Alright, let's get to the main event. Here's how to perform a factory reset on your Weiser Powerbolt 3 electronic deadbolt. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Access the interior assembly. First, you'll need to remove the battery cover from the interior side of your Powerbolt 3 lock. It usually slides up or sometimes unclips. Set it aside. Step 2. Remove the battery pack. Now, carefully remove the entire battery pack from the interior assembly. This will cut power to the lock temporarily. Step 3. Locate the program button. With the battery pack removed, look for a small program, or P button. On the Weiser Powerbolt 3, this button is usually found on the interior side of the assembly, often near where the batteries sit. Step 4. Press and hold the program button. Now, using your finger, or a small tool, press and hold down the program button. Keep holding it. Step 5. Reinsert the battery pack. While still holding down the program button, reinsert the battery pack into the interior assembly. You should hear a beep or see the indicator light flash. Continue to hold the program button for about 30 seconds after reinserting the batteries. Step 6. Release the button and test. After about 30 seconds, release the program button. You should hear a long beep, indicating the lock has successfully reset to factory defaults. Replace the battery cover. Your Weiser Powerbolt 3 is now reset. The default user codes and master codes are erased. What to do? After resetting your lock, visual, host address and camera, text overlays for key post-reset steps. Now that your Weiser Powerbolt 3 lock is reset, it's crucial to immediately reprogram it for security. Here's what you need to do next. Install a new master code. This is the first and most important step. Without a master code, you won't be able to add new user codes. Refer to your Weiser Powerbolt 3 user manual for instructions on setting the initial master code. It's usually a series of presses on the exterior keypad, followed by the default programming code. Add new user codes. Once your master code is set, you can then add individual user codes for family members or trusted individuals. Test all codes. Always test your newly programmed codes to ensure they unlock and lock the deadbolt correctly. Relock the door. Make sure the door is secure after testing. Remember, a reset lock means an unprotected lock until you set up new codes. Troubleshooting tips and FAQs. Having trouble with the reset process? Here are a few quick troubleshooting tips for your Weiser Powerbolt 3. Check batteries. Always ensure you have fresh, fully charged AA batteries. Low power can prevent the reset from completing correctly. Hold firmly. Make sure you're pressing and holding the program button firmly for the entire 30-second duration while reinserting the battery pack. Consult the manual. If you're still stuck, refer to your specific Weiser Powerbolt 3 model's user manual. There might be slight variations between different revisions. You can usually find these online on the Weiser website. Physical damage. If the lock has been exposed to extreme conditions or suffered physical damage, a reset may not fix the underlying issue, and you might need professional assistance. And there you have it. Resetting your Weiser Powerbolt 3 electronic deadbolt doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you should be able to get your lock back to its factory settings and ready for new programming. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need this guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home device tutorials and electronic lock tips. Got any questions, or did you run into a different issue? Leave a comment below. I read them all and try my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.